what I saw when you were walking, and this is very common to when we're learning how to walk and shoot. So one of the things that happens is when we walk, if I'm standing here in my shooting position, see how my feet are, we talk about having our stance a little bit wider so we got a good foundation, right?
Mm-hmm.
But what happens is when I try to walk and shoot, when I keep my feet wide like that, watch how my hips, see how my hips waddle back and forth?
Yeah.
Like this. So what happens is my hips rock back and forth. And then when I go backwards, if I do this, you guys are rolling your feet. But see how my feet are on an angle? The angle makes me kind of slide back and forth. So my hips and my shoulders rock back and forth. And when you're doing that, the red dot was going like this, side to side, right?
Towards the end, it definitely was.
Yeah. So that's because of our foot positioning. So I want you guys to imagine you're walking. So we're still going to roll our feet. But now in addition to rolling our feet, instead of having our feet in a wide stance where it's going like this, where that makes our spine and our hips rock back and forth, I want you guys to imagine you're like walking on a tightrope. Not a tightrope where I'm touching my feet together, but the inside of my feet should be in line. So as I step, if you look, the line between my feet is like this. So the inside of my feet would essentially be touching. And it's gonna go like this. So I'll do it one more time. And if you wanna watch, if you guys wanna come from this side and watch, I'll show you the difference. I'll walk halfway out the way you were walking, and then I'll transition into what I'm talking about, like walking the tightrope. So if I go here, see how I'm shaking back and forth?
Yeah.
Right? And then coming back. See this, how I'm kind of rocking back and forth? Right?
Yeah.
Now I'll do it like the tightrope. So I'm here. See how much straighter my hips are from rocking?
Absolutely.
Right? So just imagine that. We still want to roll the feet, walking on the tightrope, not putting one foot in front of the other, but just imagine the inside of our feet would be touching the line.
Yeah.
Cool?
Like that.
All right, next person up.
Straight.